Hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Thank you. Thank you for accepting me once again with my podcast and season 2 and the uh, overwhelming response which I am getting with my 2 episodes which have released. That is the first episode is waking up early in the morning, and the second episode is meditation. And thank you so much for your amazing responses and comments, and all that is helping me to create more of such amazing episodes which you would love to listen. So today again I have come with the new episode. The title is Writing the Gratitude Daily. Yes, I have talked about gratitude in my season 1, where I have discussed that what is gratitude, why you should write gratitude, and things like that. So today I just want to discuss more about it because in current situation in this pandemic, we have tried to focus on gratitude a lot. We have tried to use this word a lot in our day-to-day life, but the thing is that gratitude is actually a very powerful tool, and it is a very powerful word which we are using. And if we write gratitude daily, then I tell you that it is definitely going to change your life for better. Because from my example only, I'm telling that I started writing gratitude since January 2011, and even a single day I have not skipped about writing gratitude. And I wrote gratitude continuously for 4 years, 2011, 12, 13, 14. And from my experience, from what I have manifested, I am saying you that almost 80% of my dreams which I have wrote in that has come true. So writing gratitude, what I do is I usually take a diary, which is our regular diary with all from which is having from January to December month and dates and all everything. So usually I start with each and every day. I start with writing thank you at the top of that, and I start writing what I'm grateful for. That is, for example, I include all the 3 states. That is, I include the past also, I include the present also, and I include the future also. So I start writing with thank you for today's day, thank you for today's yummy food, for the amazing friends which I have, thank you for all the good things which has taken place throughout the day. Then I start remembering what I have got in the past. Thank you for all the money which I have got. Thank you for all my amazing parents which are there with me. And then thank you for the future. So basically, when you write gratitude for the future, it comes to you in a very faster manner. That is, I was not married then, and I used to write thank you for my husband, thank you for my kids, thank you for my abundant money, thank you for my perfect eyes, thank you for my perfect body, perfect health. And slowly and gradually all that dreams have come true. And writing with your own hands is really going to bring that dream manifest very soon. So what I used to do is I till date I use a red pen to write, because I think red is the color of power, and when I write gratitude with red pen, it does manifest very faster. I start with thank you and I end with thank you, and it has helped me and it will help you too. So I suggest you, those who want to achieve their dreams, those who want to be successful in life, please start writing gratitude journal. You can choose any journal, you can choose any book whichever is favorite to you, you can, but you start writing. And the thing is that uh, writing gratitude daily has lots of benefits. It gives you immense calmness, and it helps you to live in the present. It lowers your stress level, and it also give you the new level of clarity, because actually it is not a to-do list. In gratitude journal you don't write what I have to do tomorrow, this. It is not like that, but you have to write what you are grateful for. And I can say that my biggest dream which has manifested through gratitude journal is my husband, my kid, my home, my perfect eyes. And now in 2019 I just wrote in my gratitude journal that thank you, I am a life coach, and thank you that I am doing something with my voice. That is, thank you for I being a voiceover artist. And that I have written daily in my gratitude journal. And after exactly 1 year, I am now a certified life coach. I am now a podcaster sharing my voice. And now, with the grace of God, I am also showcasing my voice in other platforms in all the languages I know. That is, I have started Gujarati podcast, Vathi Vato, and very soon I'm going to start my Hindi language podcast. And so, just I want to say from my experience, whatever dream you have, write it down. Write it down, and you will definitely achieve it, because you are grateful for that. You will be grateful for what you have, you will have, and you already have. So it increases the happiness, it betters your physical health, it gives you a better sleep. There are so many advantages. So start writing the journal, gratitude journal daily. And if you do it, please make sure that you keep it consistent, because consistency is the key. So thank you so much. I think it's done for today's episode. But if you have any doubt, if you want to know more about it, please let me know. Comment me, and I'll help you. Thank you so much.